Hello there, this is TCI Unit 2, um, page 45 if you're following along in your text. Introduction. Suppose you're on a team that is building a robot. You can think of the robot as a system and each part of the robot as a subsystem. The pieces that make up the structure of the robot are one subsystem. The wires that send signals to make the robot move are another subsystem. The remote control that you use to control the robot's movement is another subsystem. No single subsystem can make the robot perform all of its functions, but it can function if all of the subsystems work together. How's the robot and all its interacting parts like a human body? Take a peek over here at this picture. Wow. Like the robot, the human body is a system made up of interacting subsystems that allow it to function. Each part of the human body is part of a subsystem called a body system. Each of these body systems performs a certain function for the body. Look at the runner's heart, blood vessels, and bones. That's the picture here to our right. His heart pumps blood through the blood vessels and delivers oxygen and nutrients to all parts of the body. His lungs take in oxygen that helps to supply energy to his muscles. Bones that connect to muscles enable him to move. To what body systems do these parts belong? How do you think they interact? What do you think would happen if one of these parts was not working properly? In this lesson, you will learn how parts of the body work together to allow a person to function and move using the examples of a person running. You will begin to learn about the subsystems that make up an organism's body. These body systems exist in humans and many other animals and plants. Finally, you will learn how scientists can use other organisms' body systems to model human body systems. And now we're in section 1, page 46. The skeletal and muscular systems. For most of human history, people have had to hunt for meat and search for edible plants to meet their needs for food. Hunting often required running after prey or hiding in trees and carefully throwing weapons at prey as they tried to run away. How does the human body allow a person to run, stand, hide, and throw? The skeletal system is an important body system for allowing a person to move. The skeletal system is the framework of bones that support an organism's body, protect its internal structures, and allow the body to move. Here we go. This framework gives the body its overall structure and general shape. The structures that connect bones with other bones are called ligaments. Bones to bones, ligaments. You got to remember that one, especially if you're an athlete. Some bones, such as the skull and ribs, protect soft internal organs. The skull protects the brain, and the ribs form a cage that protects the heart and lungs. Other bones interact with muscles to cause movement. The muscular system is also important for allowing a person to move. All the muscles of the body make up the muscular system. Muscles cause movement when they contract or shorten. Muscles connect to bones with structures called tendons. Not all muscles are for moving the skeleton, though. The heart is part of the muscular system because it too is made of muscle. The heart muscle contracting is what causes the heart to beat. Other muscles in the muscular system help move food or blood through the body. The skeleton and muscular systems are examples of body systems. A body system is a group of organs that works together to perform a particular function in the body. Let's say that again. A body system is a group of organs that work together to perform a particular function in the body. An organ is a typically self-contained structure that carries out a particular function for the body. An organ is a typically self-contained structure, means like a heart, a lung, that carries out a particular function for the body. Now remember, a system is a group of those organs. A bone is an organ of the skeletal system. Tendons and ligaments are other organs in the skeletal system. The brain, heart, and stomach are examples of organs in other body systems. No single organ can do the job of an entire body system. The skeletal and muscular systems work together to help a person move. As an example, figure 1b shows how the biceps and tricep muscles in the upper arm move bones in the arm to bend at the elbow like when you do to pick up an object. So look, when the biceps contract, the hand comes up, the muscle gets shorter, and that pulls the bone up. When the muscle gets longer, the arm falls down or moves down. The biceps and triceps are attached to bones in the arm and shoulders by tendons. Starting with a straight arm, when the bicep muscle contracts, it pulls on the bones it's connected to. At the same time, the triceps relax so that the bone is not pulled in two directions at once. That's a good thing. Since the lower part of the arm and the upper part of the arm are connected by a hinge like a door, the lower part of the arm swings up. To straighten the arm at the elbow, the triceps will contract and the biceps relax. Many muscles attached to bones work in pairs like this one to move the bones one direction or another. In the weight room, we call these exercises pushes and pulls. When you pull towards you, the muscle is contracting, and when you push away, that same muscle is expanding, relaxing. Now, when you're all the way out and you want to bring your arms in, it contracts while the other one relaxes. It goes back and forth, pushes and pulls.